Hey everyone, welcome back. Are you missing up bank push notifications for transactions, payment requests, or important account messages? This matters. One up user missed an account closure notice because of their notifications were off. Here is how to turn them back on properly. First, go to your iPhone settings and then scroll to the list of apps to find up or just directly search for the app. Once you're in there, tap on it and then tap notifications. Make sure allow notifications is toggled on. If it's gray, tap on it to turn it green. Check the alert style below and set it to banners or alerts and not none, since none means nothing will appear on the screen even if notifications are technically permitted. Turn on sounds and badges as well. Now, scroll back to the top of your settings or search for focus and go through each focus mode you use: sleep, do not disturb, personal, and under each one tap apps to confirm up isn't silenced there. Also, go inside the up app once you've logged in. Tap the settings or profile area and check the app's own notification preferences are turned on at the account level, since Up has both device level and in app notification settings. So, all you've got to do is go to settings, allow up notifications on, set style to banners, focus modes checked, and verify in app notification settings too. And that's it. Subscribe.